My name is Ashish Kumar Ghosh. Welcome to my channel Alok Ashish. Today I will explain in detail the chromatic notes and major scale both in Western and Indian system of music. At the outset, I convey my tribute to my teacher Carlton Kitto, one of the famous jazz guitarists performed in India and abroad, and convey my salutation to my another teacher Nepal Chao, a renowned guitarist of Kolkata, performing all over India and abroad. I am very grateful to them that I got an opportunity to learn something from them. Let us start our lesson. Today I will explain the detail of chromatic notes and how to establish the major scale. Let us start. There are 12 notes in one octave, which is called chromatic. Now I shall show all the chromatic notes starting from C. C is tonic. There are 12 notes, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and octave higher again 1. Notes, first note starting from C, C first, second note C sharp, third D, fourth D sharp, fifth E, sixth F, seventh note F sharp, eighth note G, ninth note G sharp, 10th note A, 11th note A sharp, 12th note B, again octave higher C. C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp and A sharp. There are another name. C sharp and D flat are same note. D sharp and E flat same note. F sharp and G flat same note. G sharp and A flat same note. A sharp and B flat same note. But sharp and flat will be identified as per scale. Now the C note in Indian notation, that is Sa. In the G scale, G is Sa, that means tonic. C Sa, first note. Second note flat Re, that is C sharp. Third note Re, this is natural. Fourth note flat Ga. Fifth note natural Ga. Sixth note Ma. Seventh note sharpened Ma. Eighth Pa. Ninth flattened Dha. 10th natural Dha. 11th flattened Ni. 12th natural Ni and octave higher Sa. In Western solfa system, Do, Di, Re, Ri, Mi, Fa, Fi, Sol, Si, La, Li, Ti, Do. Western solfa system, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. Here I have shown all the chromatic notes both in Indian and Western. There are fixed methods to form the different types of scale. Now we have to identify the 7 notes to form the major scale from the chromatic notes. Now try to understand C to D, one step, full tone. C to C sharp, half step, and C sharp to D, half step. C to direct D, one step. D to D sharp, half step. D sharp to E, half step. D to E direct, one step. E to F, half step, semitone. F sharp to G, half step. G to G sharp, half step. G sharp to A, half step. A to A sharp, half step. A sharp to B half step and B to C half step. B C semitone and E F semitone. Half step by progressing up and down to the adjacent note, and whole step is a combination of two half steps. Please memorize the chromatic notes so that the calculation of notes may be done easily to identify the notes. Method of major scale. First note of the scale is tonic.
C note first, this is tonic.
Next note, whole tone. C to C sharp half step and C sharp to D half step. That means whole tone C to D. Here C to D whole step. Next whole step D to E, D to E. Third note to fourth note E to F half step. Semitone. F to G, F to G whole tone one step. G to A whole tone one step. G to A. A to B whole tone one step, and B to C, that is semitone. When we play the C major scale, only C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, these notes will be played. Accordingly, when we constitute the G scale, first note will be G. G is tonic, and same calculation will be done. G to A whole tone, G to A whole tone. A to B whole tone, A to B whole tone. Then half tone, B to C half tone. C to D one tone, whole tone. D to E whole tone. Next E to F sharp whole tone, and F sharp to G semitone. Here we have seen that new signature appeared in the seventh note, F sharp. Again, we will constitute the scale of D. First note D, D is tonic. According to this code, the note has been identified. Here two sharps. One is F sharp and seventh note C sharp. When we play the D scale, we will play D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp and D. F sharp and C sharp is the key signature of D scale. G scale, F sharp is key signature of G. C all natural. Same calculation will be done for all major scales. Sharp notes will be used for scale G, D, A, E, B and F sharp. And flat notes will be used for F, B flat, A flat, E flat, D flat and G flat. Now we shall play C major scale in guitar. At first, you should know the open tune of guitar before attempting the scale. First string, open E. Second string, open D. Third string, open G. Fourth string, open D. Fifth string, open A. And sixth string, open E. Sixth string is E. If I press the first fret, this is F. Second fret, F sharp. Third fret, G. Fourth fret, D sharp. Fifth fret, A. Sixth fret, A sharp. Seventh fret, B. The scale is going as per chromatic note. This is fifth string. Fifth string open tune is A. If I press first fret, this is B flat or A sharp. Then B. Second fret. Third fret, C. We shall play the C major scale. This is tonic. This note is C. Then C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, sharp, G sharp, A, and so and so. Fourth string, open D. If I press first fret, this is D sharp. Second fret, E. Third fret, F. Fourth fret, F sharp. Fifth fret, G. We can identify the notes from the opening string. Now we shall play scale C, C major scale. The note C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C major scale note. Now we shall play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. This is C. Fifth string. Fifth string open tune A. First fret press A sharp. Then D, second fret. Third fret C. So C is tonic in the scale of C major. This is first note. Now we shall play the C major scale. C, fifth string, third fret, third finger. Then D note, fourth string, open. E note, second fret, fourth string, second finger. F note, third fret, fourth string. G, third string, open. A, second fret, third string, second finger. Then B, second string, open. C, first fret, first finger, second string. This is ascending. Now same note I shall play descending. Again I am playing. Indian note sa re ga ma pa ra ni sa ni pa pa ma ga re sa. Now I shall play in Western. Do re mi fa sol la si do. Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Sa, re, ga, ma, ga, ma, ga, re, sa. Si, re, re, si, re, re, si. Now you can play several phrases. Just 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is the phrase 1 2 CD. CD 1 2. Again D1 E2. 1 2 E1 F2. Like that.
Hope you have understand the C major scale, how the scale has been constituted and how to play. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and send your comments in any English, Hindi, Assamese or Bengali language. Please subscribe for obtaining the next videos. Thanking you.